As digital professionals, we have to create content, even if we don't want to, because we need to do client calls, product presentations, demos, and just content as thought leadership pieces as well. And as any good content creator knows, it's way more important how you sound than how you look in a video. And you might think that, well, you use this big microphone here and that's why your sound is good. Well, that's not the reality. I actually don't use that microphone at all at the moment. What I do use is that little lavalier over here. And that lavalier is part of Saramonic's new Air system. So let's talk about it. Thank you Saramonic for sponsoring this video, and because of that, this is not a full-blown review, but rather an overview of a new product. With that said, I've been using it for the last few weeks and I absolutely love it, and that's my honest opinion. The Saramonic Air is a pocket-sized wireless microphone with mic in, and that's an important detail, which is purpose-built to power today's digital professionals with the superior audio. It's a system that fits in your pocket or your backpack and enables you to create very, very high quality audio with very little effort. Whatever you need it for client calls or virtual meetings, for product presentations or demos, or to kind of create content the same way I do it right now, the Saramonic Air system is really, really good. And even though it has a few different competitors on the market, there's a few standout features that make it stand apart that nobody else on the market has. So I'm gonna go over some of those features later in the video. One thing that I love about the Saramonic Air system is that it has this small case. It's actually really cute because it's transparent, you can see exactly what is inside. But then the whole system is very, very light, right? It's around 160 grams, with the transmitters being just 11 grams in total. It's incredibly light and compact, and much lighter than competition. You can just put it in your backpack, put it in your pocket, and it's ready whenever you are. You don't need any bulky gears, you don't need any complicated setups, and you can connect it both to your camera or your cell phone with either the provided Type-C or Lightning port connectors. And this is how that microphone sounds like connected to the Pixel 9 Pro XL, recording with a built-in application. I think it sounds pretty nice, and let's now, for comparison, disconnect it and see how the built-in microphone would sound in that same scenario. Okay, and that is the built-in microphone, not the Saramonic one. So you can see the comparison between the two and how much better the sound is from the Saramonic. But unlike its competition, it comes with a high-quality lavalier, which is 9.7 millimeters lavalier microphone. It actually comes with two of those, and they can attach to the transmitter unit. This is the only lightweight wireless transmission system that has a microphone input in it. The system is extremely durable and reliable, right? It can survive quite a bit of abuse. And then all the connectors here, if you're afraid that it will disconnect, you can just tag it here, connect it like that, and then this is not going anywhere. It stays attached in your pocket, in your on your belt, wherever you wanna attach it, capturing very rich, high quality audio the whole time. Speaking of air quality, the Saramonic Air has greater than 85 decibels signal-to-noise ratio, which is significantly better than leading competitors, which are all around 70 to 73 decibels. This means that your voice sounds rich, clear, and commanding. Now, keep in mind, I'm in New York here, the street is super loud, this room is not treated for sound, and I'm recording directly on the Saramonic Air, just with the mild noise cancelling enabled. And yet, you know, very minimal background hiss and no muffled distant sounds. Another cool feature that I really love about the Saramonic Air is the noise cancellation. And it has basically like two levels of noise cancellation. One is strong and one is light. You are currently listening to the light noise cancellation mode because this space is quite loud. But I'll show you my noise cancellation tests and you be the judge of how good it actually works. This is the sound of a nerd in the wild. Welcome to Central Park. If you can hear the squirrels behind me, the microphone is doing its job with no noise cancelling. This is the sound of a nerd in the wild. Welcome to Central Park. Now we have the noise cancelling set to medium or to low, and you should maybe hear some squirrels in the background. We'll see. This is the sound of a nerd in the wild. Welcome to Central Park. We have the noise cancelling set to high. If you can hear the squirrels in the background, well, then the microphone is not doing such a good job anymore. Another important thing is that the Saramonic Air System uses a condenser microphone. A lot of the competitors would use MEMS, which are much lower quality, but a built-in high-quality condenser microphone allows it to capture very rich, very high-quality audio. And it also has quite a few of the high-end audio features. For example, it has a built-in limiter, so you don't need to do that in post. It can record a safety track, so basically one track would be quieter than the other, so you can use the other track if, for example, there's somebody's yelling or some changes in the sound. You can use the safety track as well. And it has a built-in low-cut filter, which helps with all this like humming and background noise and mechanical noise in the background. You can cut that off as well. It can receive up to 300 meters from the receiver. So the transmitter can be 300 meters from the receiver. Honestly, I never got why would anybody walk 300 meters from the camera to record. I think that you're risking somebody stealing your camera at 300 meters away, but you can do that. So let's check out the distance test. So now we're gonna do the sound test, and I'm gonna be talking to myself, to the microphone, and at the moment I'm with the back to the camera, so we will see when does the connection get lost. Now I would imagine you can still hear me, but as I walk here, let's see if you can still hear me. Should have quite a bit of a distance, even though the microphone has it's very, very small. And I'm still with my back to the camera, so I hope that you can still hear me. But I guess that's what we're testing to see when do we lose the connection. And now I am rotating to the camera, testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. This is the sound of a nerd in the wild. Welcome to Central Park. Can you still hear me and the squirrels? And now I'm gonna be going back with the microphone directed at the camera. So a lot more noise, no noise cancelling. Sound is recording. Let's see how does that sound. 1 2 1 2, testing the distance, and now the microphone has direct line of sight. Okay, and getting closer. I'm pretty sure now you can hear me perfectly well, and I am back here. Everybody does those distance tests, and I have no idea why. And I'm going to do it as well, but what is the chance that somebody will be talking to the camera so far away anyway? That's it. While I love that you can control a lot of the settings on the Saramonic Air's receiver, and the LCD screen makes it very easy and very intuitive to actually control things like gain, low-cut filters, different channels, muting channels, all of those things are very easy to do on the receiver unit itself. You can also connect it directly to the Saramonic app on your mobile and then record to the app at very high quality and control all the features of the microphone system on the app itself. But of course, you can use the built-in recording functionality of your phone for video recording as well. As far as battery life goes, the Saramonic Air transmitter offers an impressive 10 hours of battery life on a single charge, and the charging case can charge it 1.5 times more, so essentially giving you roughly 41 hours of recording time with the screen on. That's honestly really impressive, and that means you can record whole, conferences, full day of lectures with one microphone without even recharging it. The Saramonic Air system comes in 3 configurations. One is US only, comes with 2 lavaliers, and both a USB-C and a Lightning port adapter, and cost $169. And two international versions, one has two lavaliers but only USB-C connectors, and that is $159, or no lavaliers and only USB-C adapter, and that one is $139. Use the code on the screen in the link in the description to get an additional 5% discount. Which I think is a steal, because just lavaliers with some other companies could cost you easily $70–80 for one lavalier, two lavaliers, $160, and that's without even the microphone system. So you get everything in one package here, and for just $169, which I think for the quality and the portability of that system is a bargain. Outside of the US, there are two versions, one with two lavaliers and a cheaper one without. The Saramonic Air System launches today, so go check the link in the description to order yours. And I think the value of that microphone system is awesome, and I think every digital professional needs to have a wireless microphone system in the toolkit, because that's just kind of something that is expected of us today to create content as well. Essentially, it's not just a microphone, it's kind of like a strategic asset for you. Taking that system from Saramonic, it's a really good choice, because they've been doing it at very high quality for a long time, and at the same time, they're very budget friendly. And considering how high quality the signal to noise ratio is, the lavaliers that are included, the extremely long battery life, the controls on the LCD, which none of the microsystems have except for that one, I think it's really set to hack your digital professional audio. I'm hoping that will become your go-to solution for elevating your sound. All right, I'll see you next time I feel like making a video. Ciao.